Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. 1.16 is now here and it brought us piglins and their new bartering mechanic. I was messing with piglins in creative mode and I thought of this little idea. I don't know if anyone else has thought of it previously, but I spent some time in creative and I made this by myself. So I'd figure I'd share the design for anyone that wants a lot of piglin loot. This farm is very efficient, however, you will be needing a lot of gold if you want a lot of piglin loot, so make sure you have a reliable gold source found yourself. Let's see what we need for this build. For this build, we will need the following items: chests, sticky pistons, comparators, repeaters, redstone dust, and blocks of your choice. I will be using glass and netherite blocks, hoppers and droppers, observers, a lot of gold, and make sure you have access to piglins. To start off our build, we'll need our chests, place a hopper going in from the back, place a hopper going into that one from the top, and a hopper going into the second hopper from the side. Then we will be needing our comparator pointing out of that first hopper, and then a repeater coming out of that on a 4-tick delay. And then we place our block of choice with our sticky piston going upward and an observer facing that way. And then we place a dropper to the side of that, so then the observer powers that dropper. And now we will be getting some blocks from our inventory, and we'll be needing our glass. Well, any blocks you want, but I'll be using glass. And I will be covering the outside of the build with glass, so then our piglin can't escape, because escape is bad. And yeah, we'll just surround that area in glass, get our piglin into that area. It'll be more challenging in survival mode, but I got it in pretty easily in creative. And now, if you have a reliable gold farm, you're able to add a chest with a hopper going into that dispenser to place a lot more gold than if you have less of a reliable gold farm. So we can just get our gold, place them all into that chest, and it'll all make its way through the hoppers and into the dropper, and then we can fill the rest of the dropper up with our extra gold. And you don't need this much amount of gold, but if you do have that much, then go ahead and use it. And now our farm should be able to work, but not yet, because we will need another item to be put in a hopper to start it all up. And now I'll throw a little bit of gold into the piglin. The piglin will look at the gold, and then after a couple seconds, he'll drop an item out, and then the machine will throw him another piece of gold, in which he'll pick up, and then think about it again. And then, once he's ready, he will throw us more items, and gold keeps on cycling into the piglin itself. That's how the machine works. I hope it wasn't too difficult for you to make it, and if you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment, and if you're new, please consider subscribing, because I have another piglin design, which is a little bit less compact, but the rates will be a lot higher. Thank you for watching.